Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a safety cable on your lawnmower. I'll start by cutting the cable ties. Next, I'll remove the cable clip. I'll remove it from the cable so I can use it again later. Now I'll remove the cable from the control bracket. Now remove the bolt that secures the cable bracket to the handle. And I'll remove the cable from the bail. To install the new cable, I'll first connect the end with the bracket to the bail. I hook the cable into the bail. Then I'll align the bracket with the handle and secure it with the bolt and nut. I'll connect the other end of the cable to the mower's control bracket. I'll place the cable retaining clip over the cable and snap it into the bracket on the mower. I'll secure the cables together and to the handle with some new cable ties.